All right. How we doing, everybody? We'll come on, start doing some shorter videos for you, just for some quick overviews of what I'm looking at, what I'm seeing. You know, we'll also we'll also keep doing the lives of the evening times that we get to do mostly. I love doing those with everybody. We have a lot of fun. If you've not subscribed, be sure to hit the like button, hit the notification bell, and subscribe to my channel. Help me grow a little bit. Get the algorithm pushed out there, guys, for me. Um, we had a good day again today in the SPY. I think we went uh, about 5 out of 6 today on our options. This channel, if you if you're new to this channel, just to go over real quick, I'm with Stocks with Josh Discord. I'm one of his crown traders, and I do live trading inside Josh's Discord multiple days a week, Tuesdays and Thursdays, usually Wednesdays and Fridays. I'm also with Josh during his live session, just assisting, helping him watch things and giving out a call here and there and really learning from the GOAT. So, yeah, come and join us. Last 2 weeks, I've also thrown Mondays in. So that's 3 days with me, 2 days with Josh, live trading. Uh, we're pretty successful. We've been very successful the last few weeks. We had another great day today. Um, I'm not really into the long-term swings and things like that with the SPY. We mostly do trading intraday. The so the tariffs got announced Friday, which is here. You guys can see this big drop. We came down, go out to the 1 hour. Uh, I've tried to encourage people to start marking your charts with me. I've already got a couple places highlighted here. Actually, it extends over into this day when you catch this wick. But this is a pretty good support here around 5. You call it 589.50, somewhere in that neighborhood. Pretty close for a big support that we're holding so far. Um, Even on the tariffs, we came down and tested that. We're still able to defend it, and yeah, we bounced off of it pretty hard. We failed today, I will notice, to keep pushing past yesterday's after hours. So here's the level I'm watching to start clearing now. Around 602, 602.20. That'll be my next breakout level that we need to start climbing over for calls. I kind of got this feeling of a double top here also, but really the majority of the day we drop down to a 5 or 10 minute, go to a 10 minute. Uh, we consolidated up here quite a bit today. Never could we never could break VWAP. Um, I'll try to start going back and labeling our entries for the day. I know we took calls really early out of the gate. Something I like to do, and that Josh teaches us and has taught me. We make our morning structure. We also mark our pre-market structure. And generally speaking, uh, to me, we'll usually start making a pretty good consolidation zone the last hour pre-market. It often plays out uh, to be equal to morning market structure. And the way we do morning market structures, we take the first three 5-minute candles. We mark the top of the bodies of those three and the bottom of the bodies of those three. Something that I usually do when we're that close to pre-market highs also is I will go ahead and count the wicks when we're lining up with the wicks pretty good. And I liked this zone here pretty good this morning. So instantly when we started, we even got an early entry. I do remember this first trade. We got an early entry here because we were moving above pre-market and anticipated this move a little bit because the MACD gave us, we came to the zero line. You see down here, we gave a cross up on the signal line over the zero line. Pretty bullish move, even though it's early on a 5-minute chart. It gave me some incentive to go long. We all rode calls up a pretty good way, so this wasn't too shabby of a morning for sure. This computer will slow down for me. So we had a nice little win out of the gate. I think we ended up 5 out of 6 today on our trades. Oftentimes I do this, guys. My good friend Marie was asking me this morning, so maybe Marie, you'll watch this. If on Webull, I'll go ahead and delete this. If you come to your drawings tabs, right here where the pencil is, and you come over to the second tool that pops up, there's a drop down tab. Right here's the rectangle. And I use a rectangle to identify a zone a lot of time. I just click on it once and then start dragging the mouse. And that highlights my zone for me. So we play the breakouts a lot. Usually a little safer bet. Sometimes we will play the range when we're day trading. Oftentimes we play the breakout zone though. So this was a perfect breakout. 5-minute gave us a great entry. We held the 9 EMA and VWAP. The white line is VWAP. The green line is the 9. The red line is the 200. This is my day trading setup. Try to keep it simple. MACD and RSI. And this was a nice trending morning. We got to ride this up quite a bit. We had another consolidation zone here, I think. Yeah. We had another small move over this for, I want to say, yeah, 601.20 to about 602. So almost the whole point on that move. This was the big move of the day. I was able to catch some puts later in the day a couple of times just for quick moves on smaller time frames. But yeah, we had a good morning. We had a really good morning. Okay, let's move on, guys. We'll go to tomorrow's level. As for now, this is going to change in pre-market, but as for now, I'll be interested in calls over 602.30. This is also identical with aftermarket yesterday, so this is a good level to watch for breakout. Once we clear VWAP tomorrow, if we can start busting over 602, 602.20, I'll be interested long. I like to come over. I don't think maybe one or two people played this in my live, but I also gave a call out on Amazon over 239.40 today, which produced about 3 points. Yeah, good 3 point move up on Amazon today. So that played nice. If we go to SPY, this is back over to Trading View now. Want to catch? Let's go to a 1 hour, guys. Ladies and gents, I say guys too much. Sorry. That's just where I'm from. This is what I say. Okay. Let's take the 1 hour. I often use the fixed range volume profile. Go back to catching last Monday. You can see we're still in the thick of it. This is why uh, we're rejecting up here. We gotta get through the structure. We gotta chew through this. Um, and there's a lot there to chew through. If we can start busting over 603, things start falling off over 606. We can move over 603. I think we can get to 606. Over 606 with some good buying pressure, we're off to the races. In my humble opinion, we can go back and catch this upper shelf up here. There's a little bit more up there. So really, you see where we stopped at when you're going back, right at the top of this volume shelf, 602.40. And when you go back to Webull and you see, that's about 10 cents off, we can move it on right in there. 602.30, 602.40, somewhere in that neighborhood. Um, Support beneath us, 599.50. Around 598. I do not want to lose 597 again. I don't want to lose this level, guys. 597's pretty important, in my opinion, to hold us up. We get below this again, we can fall. So I would like to keep. I don't want this to become a double top. I don't want that for more of a move up. 602.30 seems to be the number I want for us to start climbing higher, making those new highs. That's what we want, more and more. The 4 hour, 4 hour MACD still giving us some up direction. I would like to see it clear through the zero line of the MACD. Let's check the 1 hour still in decent shape. We need to hold above the zero line. RSI sitting right at 50, so let's see what happens pre-market. Wouldn't be surprised. We've got this 597.30 support that I like. Under that, there's a little bit here. Wouldn't say a lot though. Let's check this out. This is a 1 hour time frame. Yeah, right in here. 596.90. 597.30. How about that? Got this morning market from today. Not too bad. Let's see if we can hold above this. I don't want to lose this again. That seems to be it for now. I'll be bringing you guys some more stuff coming on. I just like to give a good overview sometimes, and then we'll go back on the lives and answer questions and do all that good stuff. Amazon, be on the watch out. I would like. I'll be interested in calls again over 240, 250. Support 239.40. This has been, I've hit this 2 or 3 times in the past couple of weeks. Uh, we've got a nice little zone here. I see Foreman. So there's some structure here holding us now. 239.50 is halfway decent support, I think. Uh, over 242.50, I'll be ready to go long again. I didn't get a good look at Apple today. Nvidia. Let's see what Nvidia is doing. Nvidia pretty well range bound in the volume profile today. All right here. It had a nice breakout early. Took off running. This held nice support, 116, which is about where I think Josh was calling support anyhow. So, yep, not looking bad. All right, y'all. Check the description in the video. We'll see. We'll get levels again in the morning. If you're not part of the Stocks with Josh community, come join us. I've got a link that's going to be in the description of this video. If you would like to join, or upgrade if you're already in the Discord, if you want to upgrade to the VIP, you can use that link to upgrade. And that is my link for his Discord. It goes to help and support me. And you'll also have a Webull link in there if you need a good exchange to trade on, to trade options. This is what we do. We narrow our focus down to just one or two things, usually the SPY. Sometimes I'll do Amazon and Apple. But this is really good for people beginning options and trying to learn how to navigate through options and day trade them. That's what I focus on. So, we had about 400 people in the live this morning. Vast majority pretty successful. We got a lot of good call outs. It's a good family. It's a good group of people that will answer questions and help you along. If you're not subscribed, I encourage you to be part of a stock community to help yourself grow in your trading journey. And this is the place to be. Trust me, this is the place to be. So, with that being said, if you would like to support me, you'll see the description in this video. We'll be back tomorrow with another. All right. Peace and love, guys and ladies and gents. Thanks.